Hello everyone, Paul Rogers here. Today is December the 17th, 2017. We are looking at the chart for Ripple to Bitcoin. Now, as you know, in my last video, a lot of people were asking, hey, should I buy Ripple right now? And I said, let's hold back for a correction. And Ripple, the volume of Ripple has been going down, and the price of Ripple in comparison to Bitcoin has been going down as well, but kind of slowly. I don't think it's a very bad idea to buy Ripple right now. So if you do want to get into Ripple, I think now is just a fine time. There could be more announcements coming. Ripple's got so many things going on that you could miss the next bull run. So buying right now, I can recommend it. Now the other thing I want to talk about too is Lend. EthLend is something I made EthLend, excuse me, is something I made a video about the last couple weeks, and I'm really impressed with the project, how it's run. The DApp, the decentralized application, has been excellent. I just had a nice update on Friday, and the price is reflecting this. Now, people who bought in during the ICO are doing very, very well. I think the price of Lend tokens during the ICO is around 1.5 cents, and now the price is at 6 cents. So congratulations to those who invested in EthLend and bought some Lend tokens. I expect Lend to be going quite a bit higher in the near future, possibly 10 to 20 cents early next year. So. And Lend has actually been quite bullish, even though Bitcoin has been going up so much lately. So even in terms of Bitcoin, it's on a clear uptrend in comparison to Bitcoin. In US dollars, it's just obviously killing the dollar. So I think right now is a very good time to buy Lend tokens as well. Let's look at Bitcoin. Now, the last video I made, I was talking about how I thought Bitcoin, I think price was around here in this area, and I was saying, okay, I expect Bitcoin to go and test this upward resistance and then get rejected and head down. I hope that's what I'm seeing right now. I hope that the resistance is held, this trend channel is going to remain intact, because I want to buy more Bitcoin at a better price. So I want Bitcoin to actually correct and head down towards 17,000. So if you're looking to buy Bitcoin right now, I would recommend going into alts instead and not buying Bitcoin, and holding off on buying Bitcoin until it corrects and heads towards this lower support trend channel. The alternative scenario would be for Bitcoin to just get pumped with a whole bunch of volume and break through to $20,000. That is, of course, possible. I don't think it's going to happen, but hey, it's the market, it's crypto market, and you never really know what could happen. So, but most likely scenario is that Bitcoin will be heading a little bit lower. Let's take a quick look at Ethereum. Ethereum did have a little bit of a breakout on this triangle. Now it looks like it's, I expect Ethereum to make new all-time highs next week. So I think Bitcoin will correct and Ethereum will be heading towards $800-900. Dash has been on fire. Really nice reaction to hitting this lower trend channel. This support, Dash just took off, and now it's actually bouncing on this resistance, which is now a new support. So if Dash does remain outside of this trend channel, I could see Dash going even higher and having some kind of parabolic growth. If it does re-enter the trend channel, that's fine too, because the trend channel is going up. So congratulations to those who are holding Dash. Dash over $1,000. I've been calling for this for a very long time, and I'm sure a lot of Dash supporters out there have been saying the same thing. Litecoin, I was expecting it to consolidate further, so it's actually done pretty well, and that's entirely due to Bitcoin being expensive and slow. So if you're going to make a small transaction, much better to use Litecoin than to use Bitcoin because of the transaction fees. And it's understandable why Litecoin's benefiting from Bitcoin's issues. So anyhow, that's my advice and my forecast for today. Hope you all are having a great weekend. Paul Rogers out.